Holodiag develops crystallization conditions according to compound polymorphism, solubility, supersaturation, nucleation, and growth. Clients can fully rely on Holodiag for their crystallization processes development from scratch, optimization of existing processes, and troubleshooting with minimum variations. Our scientific team works on product recovery, yield and purity optimization, crystallinity improvement, particle engineering, control of solid state, isomer separation, filtration and drying, critical parameters, robustness, and more. Strong knowledge in industrial manufacturing, thermodynamics of heterogeneous equilibria, and phase diagrams allows us to work on processes aiming at scalability, reproducibility, and processability. We are committed to offer real-time monitoring studies with detailed report and full support to discuss your projects and propose solutions. Holodiag, your relevant partner.